Good afternoon, YouTube. Okay, so while we're waiting for the axle to come in from Advanced, because I'm just going to go ahead and buy one from there, I decided to hit the inside of the vehicle today. So doing all the carpet, everything. Got all this old stuff here, especially down here. There's a giant hole, probably from the floor mats rubbing. Definitely gonna have to clean. I've already taken the back seat out, got bored, and wanted to give that a shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything, and then go ahead and replace it with brand new stuff. I got the new carpet from Auto Customs Carpets Inc. These guys right there. They send you the whole thing, both the trunk carpet and the actual replacement for the carpet there. It's all pre-molded. All you got to do is kind of just lay it out and let it kind of relax, and then take the old carpet out and put the new carpet in. So it's going to be a first for me. I haven't really done this before, but I need to replace it. As you can see, it's got all the old rusty components just leaking everywhere, and yeah, don't really need all that. So don't really know how well you can hear me from back up front of the car, but I'm going to take all this stuff off and put it somewhere. I'm going to start with the back first, and then we'll work my way forward, hitting the back seat there. Probably take the back seat out and also get it redone as well. So okay, so for this strip right here, it's just a regular screwdriver. You're going to take this off. These guys here, I picked them up at Harbor Freight. They're just like little plastic, I guess like little pop-it removers, because these guys have a tendency to break, and I really don't want to have to replace them. So I'm going to try to take them out as best as possible without having, to go and get new ones, because dealership's probably going to go ahead and charge you a lot of money for something that that easy to replace. So here we go. backside's done. So with the front, this metal piece right here, you had to, or I pretty much took it off, cleaned it off. Yeah, the screws are a little rusty and whatnot, but yeah, I'm not gonna really replace them right this second. But with these plastic clips, all I really did was just take a razor or something sharp. You just poke a hole in them, and then kind of line it up. It's got like kind of a little bubble right here, but. And then once you lay it back in, just push these through. This carpet's a little bit thicker, so it's kind of hard to push them through, and then they just line up with the holes, and you just snap them right back into place. With this, you just kind of have to pull and find out where it is. I just put the screws through, and then once I laid it down, I just took the screws out and kind of just replaced it on top of that. So yeah, that's it for the back half. Now we just got to tackle all of this fun stuff. Like a dummy a little bit. Totally forgot about the seats being able to be buckled back in when you go to put the seat back up. So what I just did, because this carpet doesn't really have that kind of cutout for it, I just took a razor and just sliced a small little insert right here and on the other side as well, so that way when you go to fold the seat up, these guys right here can slide in the back of the seat. Yeah, I feel like a dummy. Okay, so I just vacuumed out the back, just so I can sit down and actually vacuum the front and also take off the center console and stuff like that. And it dawned on me, Nissans are very small cars, especially when you're 6'4". So yeah, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse, just so I can clean everything up, get everything out of the car. Once I'm done with that and have the carpet out, I'll get back to you guys. All right. So go figure. GoPro died. But this is the end result. So the only part I messed up on was that part right there. I cut a little too shy, and yeah, that whole, you know, measure twice, cut once thing. Yeah, you should definitely do that. Harder parts on the actual car itself was the little kick panel and that little thing behind the gas. I had to pretty much like take a screwdriver and try to find the holes. I had to keep pulling the carpet back and putting it back up. Other than that, though, carpet came out pretty good. Just cut the holes for the seats, so the seats will go there. Everything over there looks good. I'll be putting that kicker panel back on once I put the little ECU back in. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, thanks for watching. It's been like hours upon hours dealing with cutting the seat out and or cutting the area for the seats out and cutting everything where the e-brake goes and all the pieces for the seat railing and all that stuff. So being that my GoPro died and I didn't get any footage, I apologize for that. But you know, what can you do? So I'm sweating my butt off right now. I'm gonna go take a shower because I have work in the morning. So whenever I get paid, I'll get that axle. We'll throw that in. Hopefully put the car back down on the ground, pull it out, wash it down, and then maybe start prepping the engine bay. Alright, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks. See you later.